Hi, we are the Fletchers and welcome to our house.
We had a really engaging architect, and it was really great to bring Troy and QBS in on the whole process earlier on, and that allowed them to give input into that design process. So things like material selection and other elements of the house, they really weighed in earlier on, so that had a really big impact on the final product.
I think it was almost a sense check for us. What's the potential cost if we use a certain material which looks amazing, but it's going to cost a lot of money? Just from the first couple of conversations, it just gave us a lot of confidence that, these are the people that we want to work with. And we started just when COVID started. There was clear expectations set. We know in a way what was going on, what sort of time frame we're looking at.
Favorite space in the house for me, at least, would have to be the kitchen, of course, because that's where I spend most of the time. I really like the way that it's been designed with that open plan.
We would recommend QBS because I think the quality is probably the biggest for us. Keeping an open communication when things goes wrong is really important. Building a house by no means is smooth sailing. Agreeing on what's the next step, what the solution is. It helped us to keep our budget within budget. It wasn't about blaming subcontractor or anything like that. It was more, okay, cool, this has happened. What can we do to solve it? What are the solutions? What is the most cost-effective way to solve this? So yeah, it's been great.